Respected Tala, the village elders, PA Kadavu, government officials, my ministry staffs, youth members from the respective youth clubs, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters, Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to you all. I'm very pleased to be with you all today in the island of Kadavu to close a week-long training. I'm also pleased to be here to mark a new horizon in the lives of our youths who will receive the grant assistance under our Youth Farm Initiative program. At the outset, I wish to thank you all for a warm welcome. Vinaka. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, youth issues are cross-cutting and we need to walk hand in hand. The Ministry of Youth and Sports continues to make inroads in improving our young adults through our non-formal education, empowerment and outreach programs such as this. These are programs run in more formal settings, or we take the training to the village in our approach to ensure effective service delivery. Over the last financial year, the ministry has completed a total of 35 empowerment trainings, some of which are on financial literacy. And this year, the ministry has completed a total of 9 trainings with an expected 27 more trainings to be completed throughout the financial year. We are building our future leaders through such trainings. We want to inspire youths to address the daily challenges that they face and become role models to others within their community. Not only that, we also want our youths to be engaged and assist the respective communities in their work as well. Ladies and gentlemen, this training definitely will enable the participants to learn the key areas in financing such as basic budgeting, cash flows, credit and savings, and record keeping. As youths, a key component to growth is having the ability to understand and apply financial skills. The Mobile Skills Program is an outreach, as I mentioned earlier on, capacity and skills building program. It utilizes the vocational education to teach youths to improve their skills and build on from the skills that they already possess. I'm also pleased to note that a total of 33 youth participants here in Kadavu have been trained on the both empowerment training and mobile skills training programs. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, as mentioned earlier on, I will also be handing over farming assistance to the 6 well-deserved youth clubs, and the Ministry of Youth and Sports have initiated this program some 6 months back. This is a new program under the ministry. Is to engage our youth in farm. It is a partnership between the ministry, the youth clubs, and the landowners. It only came about because of COVID-19. We went to villages, we went to settlements, and we found out that there were a lot of people who have gone back to their villages and settlements. So we had a Talanoa session just like what we are doing today. And we asked them that, what is your immediate need? What you intend to take up? And we were told that they want to involve themselves in farming. And that's where we have come in as a ministry to assist the youth of this country. We have been going across the country in the last 3 to 4 months. We have reached the unreached ones. And just to have a Talanoa session, face to face, meet and greet, and see how our young people were there doing. And today, at this juncture, I would like to thank the landowners for giving the consent to their own sons and daughters to start this farm project. Can we all put our hands together? I'm also pleased to note that a total of 159 youths will benefit from this farming assistance. On the other note, ladies and gentlemen, there's a lot of talks about the sports ground as well. After the program here, we will go and inspect the ground. I'm also here to assure that we will complete the sports ground and we will hand over to the people of Kadavu. With that note, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to congratulate all the participants for taking your time out and involve yourselves in this training. I was told this morning by the PA that we need to have more trainings like this. And I assured him that definitely we will see the type of trainings that the youths want here in Kadavu, and we will definitely provide those trainings for the youths of Kadavu. So once again, thank you so much for a warm welcome here, and may God bless us all. Binaka.
Kamani Merwai Mbati Turangiwan Teria Matasauliu